So this is another project called Watcher Node. All right, this is a Node project, and I think for some times now we've been on this project. So today I'll be making this video for those who are just joining the group, so that they will be carried along on what to do concerning this project. So if you are joining this project for the first time, I'm going to try as much as possible to explain as the all I know concerning this project so far. Now, what you need to do here, there are different tasks that you can do on this watcher node on a daily basis. First is whenever you log in, you need to come click on this launch to earn. Right, this is where your watcher node will accumulate, all right, for the next 5 hours or 6 hours as the case may be. Now once you come back in, you will see that this particular side that is counting, that has this 0.49% right now, once it's showing you filled up, that is showing you full battery here, that means your 6 hours to charge has completed. Then once it's completed, you click on this green part that said launch to earn. All right, so once you done that, then it will, this what you claim here will be added to your balance here. Okay, see, like right now I've claimed it and it has been added to the top here, as you can see. So now it has started from zero again. So while you are claiming, there are some other tasks you need to do here. You don't need to wait for the 5 hours or 6 hours to be completed because of this particular tax. Now you go to this part that says tax. Okay, when you open it, you will see they said launch node 5 times. Then once you launch this node 5 times, you will be given full recharge. That is, you'll be given full battery charge. Then the down one says launch node 10 times, you'll be given another full battery charge. So now I have launched this. You can see it's showing 5/5. When I click on this claim, it will be added to this. You can see now I have full bar 100%. Then I will claim. Now how did I complete that task? What you need to do is here, watch this particular part. Once it's finished loading, now I'll explain this. Now I'll claim. Now look at this part that says 0.19 to 0.1% charge. Once it finishes countdown and it gives you any amount of WN watcher node here, just keep claiming it. Now when you claim it, it's counting here. To keep counting here, you can see I have 7/10. So once this countdown complete, now it has complete, I will click again. Then I will go back and check. Now I will be having 8/10. So whichever amount of watcher node it gives you here, don't bother yourself, just claim it. Once this countdown has elapsed, you can see 0.7, 0.6, 0.5. Once it gets to 0.00, that means I can now claim whatever amount of watcher node is giving me here now. So I've claimed it. Then I will go back. You can see it's adding up here. So once it gets to 10 here, you click on this claim reward and it will reflect on this part here that you have claimed one full battery charge. Okay, so we're explaining with video so that we all can understand. So for those who are new and those who are old in it, I'll click again. Then you will see that here initially it was showing me 5 tags. Now it's showing me 6 tags, which means that bar, that task there has been completed. You can see it will now show you 10/10. Then I'll click on claim. All right, so once I click on claim, it will be here. Then I'll click on full charge. Now if you want to have more, the more battery you have here, the more you can claim for this watcher node. All right, so let's go see that also. So when you come down here, you see for you to have one full battery charge or 60, for you to have a recharge node 60 times to earn more. So for you to earn more here, you need to pay $179.94. That's approximately $180 to get this battery. I think 60 battery here. To get 60 battery, you're going to pay $180 to get 60 battery. Now if you don't have that amount and you want to pay for battery, you want to get one battery, you can pay 3.44 US dollar to get one battery. If you want to pay for 5 batteries, you can also as well get pay 16.22 dollars to get 5 battery. If you want to get 10 batteries, you can get for 29.99 dollars, which is approximately $30 to get 10 batteries. So that is what you can pay if you don't have referrals. Now if you have referrals, each referral you refer will give you one battery. Okay, each referral you refer will give you one battery instead of paying. So you can come down here and click invite. So when you click on this invite, you copy your invite code, all right, and go invite your friends. So once they join, you will keep getting batteries here, and that batteries can be used anytime you have them, not minding when it's complete. It's no more that it must complete 10/10. All right, even if you have one person that join, your battery will show here for that one person. Then when you come to this mini drops, this is one of the new tax it just brings. It says spring mini drops. Now we have 1.5 million tickets left. What do you need to do? You need to use 10,000 of your water node to buy this ticket every day, and you must have to buy 5/5, and this ticket is only once you can buy per day. You can see I have bought 3/5. Now the next ticket available is within 23 hours before I can buy another one, which is tomorrow. Around this time tomorrow I can buy another ticket, and each ticket I buy, they will charge me 10,000 watcher node, all right, every day. Now they still have about 1.5 million tickets left, so if you have not joined this ticket buying, please go and do that. That is just that. Then all your friends that you invite, you can see I've invited over 102 people so far.